Let's stop here for a moment. This small radio transmitter is an InnerWeb lighthouse. It works in BLE technology, it means Bluetooth Low Energy, and can actually operate for several years without the need of change the battery. It is powered by AA batteries manufactured for industry. iBeacon operates on 2.4 GHz frequency, like on a Wi-Fi network, for example. As it turns out, Bluetooth technology can work in a range of 1 meter, 10 meter, or even 60 meters, depending on settings. We've got used to a Bluetooth with a range of 10 meters, which provides a connection between phones, connection between a smartwatch, or a connection with a wireless mouse to the computer. The InnerWeb network works in these parameters, which provides much larger range. Thanks to that, the entire area of monitored hall is within the range of our network. InnerWeb apps on smartphone can determine its position in the plant, even in offline mode, thanks to the received signals from several beacons. It is advantageous that the InnerWeb beacons are located despite its range every few meters. Each machine is a potential location of a workplace that represent a radio transmitter. InnerWeb stores the history of performed work thanks to the address of the given lighthouse. Network density provides also greater geolocation accuracy. In case of damage of one of the beacons, or the battery runs out, the InnerWeb network will continue to operate. The increasing number of offline beacons reduce the geolocation accuracy in time. One of the parameters of servicing InnerWeb installation is precisely establishing between us at what level of efficiency the InnerWeb network should operate. In most cases, 90% of efficiency can be information for us to visit you and fix the defects. It is a bit like neighboring beacons where supporting each other all the time in InnerWeb network.